Good morning. Today is August the 7th, 2023. It's Monday. It's the second trading week of August. And also this week is a special week because we have the CBRE come out this Thursday, August the 10th. You can see that the CBRE. Let's see what the consensus. So the driver consensus 0.2. So the consensus is from 1 point to 4 point. Okay. Yeah, let's see. So it's big week first. They expect a lot of movement. Lots of volatile volatility, huge volatility. I believe we do have the pattern for this, how you trade a CBRE. Basically, the first move is the fake move, and then the next move is the opposite move. So we can capture on that pattern. But anyway, for today, I want to point out something real quick. You see very strange candle right here. Look at the where's my 1 hour time frame? Right, okay, let's switch to how about 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we can see that, look at the huge Dow close candle, but as on Sunday when it opened real high up here. I haven't seen this candle that big right there. But the thing you can see that it takes down the buy sell liquidity right there, up there. That's what I mean. It takes down the buy sell liquidity. So the next target gonna be take down the sell side liquidity. Let's see. That's the first thing we want to point out. It's just this candle at 17 hour 4 hour time frame right there. Alright, let's look at the weekly candle. You see it's the giant move down. And this week we are in the 32 week of the year. So 1 year have 52 week, and we are week of 32. And for week 32, the probability that it go up according to our our statistics based on the data set of 30 year, max about 30 year. So it's about 46.67%. So this week is have less than 50%, but it's up close right there. That's the weekly right there first. And for the month of August, what the stack for the month of August right here? The stack for the month of August is up 56%, so above above 50% right there. For August to be up, you have more than 50%, 56%. But this August can be different. You know what? Because huge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in the row is up close, and you can see this our auto block right here. Wow. And Yeah, that's our block, and it close below, it touches below that. There's a periodic order block right there, and then you have a huge fair value gap right here. Yeah, let's see how it's handled. What's this level? The low. Oh, sorry, I got the wrong one. Ooh. Okay, so the up is 61.29% for August. Wow, that's the high. $61.29%. Yeah, right, August 29%. Okay, let's see how it's played out for today. So also we see that the London section, the low were taken and retest one more time, so it may go up, but you see the huge range right here, okay, and you can see that the sell side liquidity for the prior day low were taken, also the buy side liquidity were taken. Be right back. All right, the bell just ring. The market just start. Let's see how it move. So we see the first, two candle. The first candle at the 9:30 open on 1 minute time frame is bring very strong. You can see right here, it's a retest or bottom, double bottom right there. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, you can see this is a bearish breaker. Let's see, and you see the huge favorable gap right here. So it's not gonna, it try to refill this favorable gap. Let's see. Okay, the first interest, location of interest right here. Oh, price of interest, time, and so what is the close of this one? 449.28. 449.28. That's the level we're going to keep track. And also right here, if we go up here, this is the favorable gap high right here. So what the close of this one? 450.76. No, I mean the low. 50.62. 52. Right, that's key level 1 to watch. Mm, 62. Okay. Yeah, that's the level we want to watch. Let's mark it down. Yeah, we want to watch that level. $28. All right, let's see. We see any setup? Not yet. We see a value gap right here. Right, and a bullish breaker, value gap, it retest and it go. Let's see. But basically right here we have the new week opening up right here, and right here to the heel up right here. Let's see how it's come out of this gap. Otherwise just maybe the whole time. Yeah, so it's still in so-called You see it's still in the 50% low, which is a discount range right there. And up here you have so-called premium according to ICC dealing range, right? And you know, just beginning of the week of the big week CPI, so let's be patient and wait. Okay, so do we see anything? You know, we see that the buy sell liquidity were taken, right? Let's see if we test this bullish breaker right here. We do have a giant fellow gap right here. Right, and then you have a bullish breaker right here. So if you want to go long, yeah, you see the buy sell liquidity were taken, so you have a reason to go long. If you want to wait for here, go retest here and then take the long position, because you have the rule. It make you know, it meet the requirement approved engagement, right? Buy sell liquidity taken. It's the London, so it moved above the London high, so it could clear the night. Okay, the nice setup right here for us, right? Buy sell liquidity from London high close is the retest, and our target gonna be the London high right there. So we are have a good setup right there if we do trading on the pre-market. Let me look back at the CPI last time, how it moved. So the CPI is July 11. No, I mean July 12. That's the last time. Last month CPI, let me see, where's July? We should have our screenshot right there. So last time the CPI is falling on Wednesday, not Thursday. And this week the CPI on Thursday. Very strange. July 12. So this is how the CPI moved last week. I mean last month right there. When it released at 9:30, go up, retracement, pull back, and go up. It's very hard to trade right there. So you either have to take the trade right here. It's a auto block retest, and our target gonna be this buy sell liquidity or the fair gap right there. And also it matches with the DR model right there. buy sell liquidity were rated, right? Entry time is 11:15, the active sign 11:55, target sell credibility or order block at 8:50. 30 hours, one standard percent move right there. That's our target match right there. Yeah, that's how on Wednesday last CPI week moving, but I want to see in the weekly or 4 hour how did it move. I did not keep track of that. Okay, let's look again. One hour time frame, right? Let's look at July 12. Well, July 12. Okay. Should be right here. July. Right here. Oh, I see. That's how last CPI moving, right? So right here, the week right here. Start July 10 and finish July 14. That's how last week it moved. Last time the CPI moved right there. So the CPI release, go up, retracement, and then boom, going up, going up. So if you want, you believe that right here retracement, you can go long, right? But look at this, you don't see any. How do you go in here? It not even pull back to here. So how you enter here? You don't see any breaker. 3 retests. Yeah, it only retests the one. Let's retest this implied fair value gap right there. Look at that. Look at the candle. It really what? It really, yeah, you see a retest right there? It's already retest. It's, yeah, you can see that. Yeah, you can see the setup right there. It's not perfect. Well, you see the bullish breaker, retest, right, and boom. This one already got and take the sell side liquidity, and this is just a retest into this fair value gap implied right there. Retest and boom, go. So you can go in here. But then, are you gonna hold a trade overnight to the next trading day, or you gonna exit? $1.78 is not bad. On the right, middle, yeah. this is 9:30 right there. Let's take this screenshot. Last time we forgot the CBI week, July 12, right? CBI July 12, Wednesday, 2023. Let's see how this week is moving. Yeah. And you see the retest of this one right there. And it's just a retracement right there. You can call this at a bullish breaker favorable retest. And yeah, you have such a liquidity taken. You did. You can do one downward move, right? Or a buy sell liquidity. Oh sure, you can hold overnight. Hold on to the next day. Right there. Yeah, we can go long if we want to. Right here, we have a fair value up right here, right? And we have a good setup, right? Bullish breaker, fair value gap, and sell side liquidity were already taken, so you can go in here and go long on this one. Go long, yeah, go long. Take this trade for now. We practice, okay? So it make our requirement, make our good rule of engagement right there, right? So we have a bullish breaker, and then fair value gap, retest, and use a long setup. The cell size look really taken right there, so that's a very critical requirement for when we take long. We want to make sure the cell size was taken either in intermediate term or short term cell solubility. In this case, it can be this is the intermediate term right there. Is a short term. So intermediate term low, take out this one. So that's good right there. Our targets, no, that's the entry time. It's about right. It falls into our time at entry right there. So what our target cell is by cell pretty bright, swing high, and then as soon as we go in the trade, we can try a stop loss right there, right? If we're not sure with the targets. Yep. By the way, we need to watch to see for the 4-hour time frame how the first candle, print. You see the open 9:30 open and 9 o'clock open, they're very close. So yeah, I think the best entry is right here. At 57. Let's see. Wow, keep going down. If we enter right here, then our stop loss gonna be around here. Then let's see how much we reach. Right, if we enter right there, how much we reach with 31 cents. And let's see how much we gonna gain. Ooh, so about 1 to 3 ratio right there. But interesting, let's see how it moves. So you have another setup right here, right? You have a balance price range right here, and it retests that. You have bearish breaker right here, so bearish breaker retest right here, so go short. You can do that also. Well, it retests all the way to this auto block. What you think? Yeah, I think the best entry at this 59. Put your entry right here and put your stop loss right here, so you don't enter too early, my friend. You see, entry close to our targets as much as possible, so we risk less. How much you risk? 12 cents. Come on, you can do it. Ooh. Going. Check it now. You only reach 12 cents right there. Basically, do the thing you fear, then the death of the fear is certain. So you fear right here, right? Your fear is may continue to go down. God, do it. Right? Do it. Go along. You may, your concept may tell you, oh, you are casting the fallen knight. Do it. You feel the pain. You feel the fear, so you no longer fear. Right? Entry, follow. See how it's played out. You lose 12 cents. Come on. Wow, you got take out right there. So another, wow. So the market provided feedback to us right there, provided a lesson. So we have to learn this. So try not too long right here, because the setup right here is much more. So basically the auto flow from right here to point here, it continues to go down, so don't go in here yet. Okay, that's yeah, we look at 1 hour, right? We see the reject right there, so that can give us a signal right there. So we are in 30 minutes, first 30 minutes, 33 minutes of the trading day, the Monday, the second trading week of August, and this week is the C-buy week, so expect it's very volatile, especially on Thursday. Wow, look at this. I'm telling you right here. We have an idea right there, but we're coming still a little bit early, right? You look at this order block right there, and it go and retest this. What the high of this one? 48.01. And what the low of this one? 49. So just 2 cents below that, it retests, it's order block, favorable gap retest. So it's a nice setup for us if we look at this. Going right there, for 5 minutes going. Check this trade. Right, on 5 minute time frame. Yeah, so if we look at the 5 minute time frame, we will know that we go a little bit early when it come up here. What's that? 5. Right here you have order block, fair value gap, retest, and it's a long setup. And what do we have? Yeah, buy sell liquidity was taken. main sales already were taken, right? Beautiful. Entry time 10, exit targets, the previous swing high right there. Let's see how it's played out this time. You see the order block right here, failure gap, huge displacement, retest them. Our target up here. Ooh. Let's see how 1 minute come out. Yep, I mean we can enter right here. Right, we can 10:05 for 1 minute time frame right there. Yeah, I think the bullish, if you go in right here, it's still not too late, because look at the 1 hour time frame. It also gives them you the same setup. Look at the 1 hour time frame. You see the 1 hour time frame, you look carefully, you see this order block, the fair value gap right here, and here's the retest. If you see that, it's order block, and then another sell liquidity taken, but it's go above that, and then you have fair value gap right here, there's two candle great fair value gap, and this one is retest, so you can enter long position right here, and you anticipate it's gonna be retest this error. It may go up here also. Yep, so really good. We have an idea right there, but this one we should wait until another buy sell liquidity where sell liquidity were taken right there. So sell liquidity taken 1, taken 2, 3 times right there, so give you a very strong long setup right there. Yeah, you see that? When it drop down here, it take all the sales liquidity, then the other exchange state delivery is start going up. Right, you see that? Yeah. So right here, it's the signal that it's gonna go up for you right there, and this candle. However, it's gonna do a little bit manipulation right here. This trick like a manipulation, and then it go up. So we have to see that in real time. The reason why we go up here, because we see this setup right there. But this, in this case, this swing high, the bullish breaker is not a reliable, because it's not critical. You see the position it in, the bullish break area, that may be a more reliable bullish breaker. This one is not really a bullish breaker at all, even though it's up close candles, but you don't see it really stand out like this one, right? It really swing high. It's not really good a swing high at all. It can, you see the 3 candle. But the idea that we will engage after 10 hours, after 10. When we see this, Then we see this, so we need to understand that we engage long after 10, don't do before 10. That's the node we're gonna put in our database right here for this setup. So basically do not engage. So for the first practice trade, we go in right here and we lost. But for the second trade, we go in here and we are winning right now. Let's see if we reach this. Yeah, it check. You see, it check the buy sell increase. If our target is the price swing low, then we are good right there. Let's see how much we gain. I think we enter at what time? Say we enter around here. Around here. Let's say right here. Oh, I think click on the wrong tools. So let's say we enter here, right? Which is right here. 1003, let's say that. Then we gain 92 cents. We'll gain 92 cents. And how much will we? How much we? So 1 to 2 risk to worry, so not bad at all. 38 and again 92. Close, 1 to 2 risk to worry, so then you exit out right there. It looks like it's a very top pay right there. So we put this in node is the liquidity run, a toppy. So the target must be what? You don't want to take the target too long. Don't set the target too high, right? So early, check early, right? The scars must be the closest sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity, okay? Must be the closest buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity. Yep. Or we can trade a stop loss. We quick move to break even. it may retest it error again. See that? This is the error that we are interested right here. Yep. That's our error interest right here. Man, look at that. Right there, it's respond exactly at that error. Wow, now pretest the error again. Look at that. How precisely the price were booking. Look at that. So this one is a retracement right after I take the buy sell liquidity. It continues to go up right there. Let's see, it's gonna take this buy sell liquidity. Alright, we have another 14 minutes to finish the first trading hour of the very first trading day of the second week of August, and it's a big week for us because of CPI on Thursday. So buy sell liquidity is a ambitious target, but if you set your targets very conservatively, you can get out trade right now because it's retested order block. So you're good right there. You get your 92 cent, 80 cent, and you reach 38 cent. Right? So you reach recall ratio right there. Because right here you see the buy sell is taken. You don't know. It may retracement, and retracement turn into reversal. So your conservative target is going to be this one. The bearish order block. It retests right there. At what time? 10:16. And you're going here about 10:03, so you wait about 30 minutes to get your 92 cent out. Or 92 cent, and you scale it up, it could be 900, right? Or $90 or 900 or 90,000 or 92,000, right? Or 900,000 right there, or $9 million. It depends how how you want to scale up. That are powerful of the trading that you can scale up when you master with your setup. You know pretty much exactly what you expect from the market in terms of entry, in terms of targets right there. Yeah, it retests this order block right there. The same way you see that it retests, this order block on 5-minute time frame right there. You see that? It just retests right there. Ooh, you see that? Beautiful retest. What the high of this? 301 high and Owen. Yeah, the same. 4801. Exactly right there. The setup we see order block, follow gap, boom boom, retest, boom boom, go up. Wow. So if we trail our stop loss right here, it retests this bullish breaker and it go up right there. Let's say if take this sales liquidity or not. Let's remove this. Man, this beautiful trade right here. Yeah, another thing we can see that we shouldn't go in here. You know why? Because you see that it makes the so-called intermediate term high right here. You have to let this to be make another leg down, take out a buy sell liquidity. Yep. Yeah, we see it now. We see it retest right here. Right? Is the favorite gap, also right here the balance price range, right? And it's bearish breaker right here. The retest right here. Let this retest finish its move. Finish its move. But this retest for a short have to finish. You have to take out a buy sell liquidity, sell sell liquidity. Wow. Okay, beautiful. So the market provides a beautiful signature right there. So why we're already here is a mistake. Oh, we have to let this setup play out, the short setup play out before we engage into the long. Yeah, look at our entry earlier when we do a long setup right there. We can see that, right? We go in at 54, but we forgot to look at right here. There's another short setup that it needs to play out. All right, like smart money short right here, right? Bearish breaker, fair gap, retest. Let that setup play out, and for sure, this setup gonna be what? Gonna be check out the sell liquidity, and as soon as take out, we're gonna go long. Wow, that's a very beautiful lesson. 54, right? Yeah, we're going right here, 54. Because we count this as a bearish bullish breaker. However, you have to look at another setup right here at the same time, and we see that, wow, beautiful. Oh man, so how do we capture this right here? Okay, when you have another, when you want to go long and you have another setup goes opposite direction, then you have to be wait for that setup to play out. Okay, let's capture that right here. Right, we have a bullish breaker. That's how we entry. Like we have a sell side liquidity taken. That's what we got our logic. But we go in here too early. And our entry, yeah, we have sell side liquidity taken. Entry time 09:54. Okay, so and we have another setup right here. It's also a bearish breaker. I mean, in this case, bearish breaker, but so-called breaker block retest. But in this case, is a short setup, and it did have and you also had a buy side liquidity taken. You see the buy side liquidity taken right here. So it's a legitimate setup, liquidity run right there. So you have to respect that. And entry time for that setup is 09:53. And it also have a target is the sell side liquidity, and it did take out the sell side liquidity. Prior swing low right there. So the smart thing for us is to wait for the setup to clear the setup out of the buy side liquidity so we can go long. We don't go long right here. You have a buy side liquidity taken right here. Is the bearish breaker, here is the bullish breaker. That's the huge beautiful lesson learned for us right here. is a bearish breaker, and here is a bullish breaker. Up close candle right here. So the node we take this right here. Basically, the long entry is too early. Wait for the short setup to clear the sell side liquidity. Then going right there. Very simple for that. And the best entry time is after 10. That's our observation in this case right there. You can enter it right here as a second candle. If you can see this order block, you see the fair value gap in this candle. I mean, it implies fair value gap, and this is the retest. You go in right here. Beautiful examination right here. Hold on. I want to make something different right here. Let's use some so the long entry is too early. Wait for the short setup to clear the sell side liquidity, then go in. The best entry time is after 10. Okay, that's our observation right there. Wow, you see that? It's clear. Ooh. Remember, in trading there's no failure. It's only have a lesson learned and winning. That's it. So it did hit the buy side liquidity at 10.25. Yeah, exactly 10.25 right there. Well, it aligned with 5 candles also. Okay, look at the 5. Wow, look at that. It rejection right there. So we are at 35 right now. So the DR model tells us that this is going to be the low of the day or the high of the day. Let's see. Maybe it rejects right there, then it's going to be that's the big high of the day, 25, and it go down. Or it retracement back to the mid range and go up. But anyway, that's it for now. Bye bye and have a great day. Talk to you later.